In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Google Chrome go full screen mode. To begin, open your current web browser. In this case, you will want Google Chrome open on your computer. You can have any website or tab on the screen because the full screen command works no matter what page you are viewing. Once Chrome is open and active, make sure it is the selected window on your desktop. That way, the keyboard command will apply to Chrome and not to another app. Now press the F11 key on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Google Chrome will switch into full screen mode. You should notice that the top part of the browser disappears, including the tab bar and the address bar, giving you a cleaner and larger view of the page. This can be helpful when you want fewer distractions or simply want to use more of your screen. Once you are in full screen mode, you can continue using Chrome normally. You can scroll through pages, click links, watch content, and browse as usual. The main difference is that the browser interface stays hidden to maximize your viewing area. When you want to exit full screen mode, press F11 again. This returns Chrome to its normal window view with all of the browser controls visible again. So it is the same key to both enter and leave full screen mode, which makes it very easy to remember. That is really all you need to do. Open Google Chrome, press F11, and Chrome goes full screen. Press F11 again whenever you want to switch back. That covers everything you need to know.